Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to set up international shipping in Shopify. First, you need to go to your store where you have to go to the settings option of bottom left. Click on setting option, and in that you need to scroll down and then go to this option of markets. Click on markets option, and then you have to go to the create market option. Click on create market. From here you can select the countries, like you have to give a market name, so I'm giving it an international. And after doing that, you have to go to this option where you can search for the countries which you are at. After selecting the country which are you where you want to create a market, you have to go to this option of add market. Click on add market, and your market will be added here. From here you have to go to the inactive option where you can see this market can be treated because one country region is missing shipping rates. So you have to go to this option of add rates. Click on add rates and you will be directed to this page. Here you have to go to this option of shipping here. Here you have to go to this option of add rate. Click on add rate. In here you have to click on three dots where you can see the domestic option. Click on edit zone. Then you can select whichever zone you want to add here by particularly selecting something, and then we can get the tracking number provided, made to order, ships next day, and we can have here the pricing of whatever we want. For now we are taking it this amount, and then we have to select the done option where there will be options of standard also, and there will be option of another one which will be a premium one. If you want to edit the same one, you have to go to the standard rate where you have to change the pricing by typing it here, and then you can click on done and you will see this option here. Click, the purchaser can select it from this two, whichever they feel correct. Then click on save option, and this changes will be saved in your store. So I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, then make sure to like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.